Hey, how you doing? Very, very simple today. We're going to make an eggplant tomato spaghetti. It's so simple to make and it truly is delicious. Vegetarian, healthy and vegan. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at this. Very, very simple. So I've got 1 can of tomatoes, 1 onion sliced, 135 grams of tomato paste, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 eggplant, aubergine or brinjal, whatever you call that, cut nice and small. And optional, if you've got this, some fresh basil is beautiful. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Obviously, we're going to use some spaghetti for this, so get your pasta cooked. And I'm using spaghetti, but you can use any type of pasta that you like. This is delicious, easy. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I've got some olive oil in this pan. Just heating that up. We're going to get in our sliced onion. Cut it nice and small if you want, but I prefer it sliced in this. Our garlic. We are on an above medium heat, and I'll be back in 3 to 4 minutes. And just as those onions change color, we're now going to drop in our eggplant or aubergine or whatever you call that. So many names for one thing. Salt, black pepper, and we're going to continue cooking now for another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often. Absolutely fabulous. Now think about putting some dried whole chili in there, or a little pinch of cayenne pepper or something like that if you fancy that. Okay, now we're going to go with our can of tomatoes. These are whole plum tomatoes. I'm going to break them really roughly. We're now going to add the tomato paste, a couple of teaspoons of a dried herb like an oregano, like I'm using, but basil, or you can take it in another direction with something else like thyme, rosemary. That's up to you. We can add a little splash of water. If you wanted, instead of using water, you could use a drop of white or red wine. Staying on this above medium heat. 5 minutes now, guys. And again, stirring fairly often. And that really is looking fabulous, nicely cooked down. If you wanted some black olives, green olives in there, it would be beautiful. What we're going to do now is get some fresh basil, which like I say is optional but beautiful in this. And I'm just going to really roughly break it in my hands. No need to chop it, get it in like that. Little mix. We're now going to get our cooked pasta in there. I'm using spaghetti. We're going for double spoons now, and we're going to work this in with the heat on for about 4 minutes. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Just super, super easy. It's super delicious. Vegetarian, vegan, healthy. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. We need that. A comment's always good. We like to hear from you. Please subscribe. We'll see you soon. Keep well. Keep safe. Lots of love.